Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making air fryer tofu. Did you know that one block of tofu has 35 grams of protein and only 350 calories? So this sounds like a win-win to me, and especially because we'll be using the air fryer to do the hard work for us, so there's no actual frying and that oil fat that we would get. So this is a pretty healthy, hopefully crunchy recipe. Have I made this before? Absolutely not. So let's do this together. Of course, I was inspired by this song. Air fryer tofu sounds so very simple to make. Let's add it to the menu and make this instead of a cake. Well, this is definitely going to be healthier than a cake, right? And hopefully just as delicious. But let's find out. First things first, preheat your air fryer. If your air fryer calls for that, preheat to 375 degrees. Take your tofu, drain it over the sink, and then wrap it in paper towels, and then put something heavy on it. I went all out and I used a cast iron pan. Let this soak up the water from the tofu for about 10 to 30 minutes. Potato starch, salt, pepper, combined together. This will be the coating for the tofu in the air fryer. Cut into 3/4 of an inch cubes. Spray the interior of your air fryer as needed. We're going to toss the tofu into the potato starch, salt, and pepper mixture that we have here. Okay, toss to coat. Take your tofu, shake off the excess potato starch, and we're going to add it to our basket. Coat with cooking spray. Add to your basket. 10 minutes until puffed. Set to medium heat. Brown sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce. Cook stirring occasionally over this medium heat until it coats the back of a spoon, or in this case, the spatula. It has thickened up. Let's see if it can coat the back of a spoon. You see that pulling there? And I added sesame seeds in mine, by the way. It's coating, it's ready. Time's up. I let it stay in a little bit longer than 10 minutes. This is about 15. See how they've gotten nicely browned? So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Ooh, I can feel they're crunchy. This is great, fabulous. Add some of your tofu to a bowl. Take some of your sauce and sprinkle it over your tofu. Look at this air fryer tofu. This is a piece without that sauce on top because I want to show you how crisp it is. It's very crisp all around it. I don't know about you, but I love fried tofu. So now you know how to do it, and you can put whatever sauce you want on it. So let's try the fried tofu with the sauce. Here we go. Let's give it a try with the chopsticks, of course. Take a piece. It looks great. See how firm that is? It's holding up with even the sauce on top. Let's give it a bite. This is delicious. When you go to a restaurant and you order tofu and it is fried, you can do it yourself now. In your own air fryer, in your own home, with whatever sauce you want. This is great. If I can make air fryer tofu for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get your friends and family to like and subscribe. Make for your family and friends. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.